Name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 4. The name of today's assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 4 HOE Toy Store. Okay, so first of all, we will open our instruction file. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 4 HOE Toy Store. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. And here is project description. So we also increase its size. So yes, it has also must be visible. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 4 HOE Toy Store step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. But before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 17, 18, and 22. We have 22 questions in today's assignment, okay? The last one, 22 one, is a non-grade one in which we have to save, close, and submit, and then exit the file and get the score. So now we are moving to solve this assignment step by step. In start, we just discuss the project description. You work for owner of Trinkets Toe Games LLC. All member merchandise is characterized in one of 5 departments for inventory record and sales. Along with the owners, there are 3 sales representatives. The sales system tracks which sales representative proceed process each transaction. Okay, so the business has grown rapidly and you want to analyze the sales data to increase future profits. You download June 2024 data from a sale system into an Excel workbook. Because the data set is a large, you will convert the data into table, sort, filter, and utilize conditional formatting to complete your analysis. Okay, so all these are simply project description, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that project, and after solving that project what we will get. Okay, so all these are just described in description. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to perform: start Excel, then download and open the file name. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So first we have to open our solution file, then we will start our assignment. Okay, so first part is done. Now we are moving toward the next part. You would like to set page break on June total worksheet to allow the document to print without splitting transaction dates. So modify an existing page break to ensure that 613 and 624 transaction dates print on the same page. We have to move toward June total worksheet. This one. Okay, so we have to clear the filter from there. Now we have to modify existing page break so to ensure 613 and 624 print on same date. Okay, so view page break. Okay, so now we have to modify that. We again confirm the date 6/3, 6/13 and 6/24. Okay, this one. Then we have to simply click on normal. Okay, so question number 2 is done and we got 3 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Create a copy of June total worksheet. Okay, now we have to create a copy of June total worksheet. So we have to create a copy of June total worksheet. Right click on there and there is move or copy. Then create a copy and move to the end. Then simply press OK. Then what name we have to in? We have to in June first totals. The name, copy this one and for right click there is a rename option and paste that name. Okay, so question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we have to create a copy of June total worksheet and name it as June first totals. After solving question number 3 we get 5 marks. Now moving toward question number 4. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 4 after solving question number 3. Return to June totals worksheet, then when printed you would like the title to be preserved. So set the title in row 5 and column A and B to repeat when printed. Okay. So we have to set the titles in row 5 and columns A and B to repeat when printed. Set the titles in row 5. Okay, then column A and B repeat when printed. So we have to first move toward June totals. Then is page layout. Okay. So what we have to repeat the row 5. Here we have to repeat row 5. Then column A and B we have to repeat both one. Okay. Then simply press OK. So that will be done. Then additionally set the print order to print over then down. Okay, so after solving question number 3 we have earned 3 marks from there. In question number 3 we have to return to the June total worksheet. When printed you would like the titles to be preserved. Set the titles in row 5 and column A and B to repeat when printed. Okay, additionally set the print order to print over them and down. Question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. You would like to convert the data set to table in order to add aggregation, structure, reference and table. Okay, so convert the range A5 to K110 to the table. Okay, we have to convert that into the table. Okay, P5 to K110. Okay, we have to convert that into table. Then be sure to include column labels and then name the table to the total. So we have to convert that into table by applying this one. Then after that, then we have to be sure include column labels then name the table totals. So click on table design, and here we have to in totals, press enter. Then we have to apply table style a light yellow, table style light 19. So we have to apply their light 19 style, that is this one. Yes. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, we get 8 marks. So in question number 5, we have to convert the range A5 to K1110 to the table. After that, then be sure to include column labels, then name the table totals, and then we have to apply table style light yellow, table style light 19. So question number 5 is done, and we have earned 8 marks from there. In question number 6, you don't need a sales first columns. To reduce the size of data set, you will remove the column. Okay, so delete sales first column from the table. So we have to remove a sales first column. Okay, but just like here, right click and then simply delete that one. Okay. So question number 6 will be done in this way, in which we have to remove sales first column. Now moving toward question number 7. In question number 7, you need to document the rebate information and total purchase price. To do you will add 2 new columns to the data. Type a rebate in cell K5 and ode in cell L5. Then set the width of column I and J to autofit. First we have to create K5, mean K column here. Okay. Then we have created ode column, and we have in the name or rebate in K5, you may see here. And then we have in L5 ode, here we have in ode. Then set the column width of I to J autofit. I to J mean here. Then autofit that one. Okay. So question number 7 is done. After solving question number 7, we get 2 marks from there. In question number 7, we have to create 2 columns to the table. In first column in K5, we have to in rebate as a name of column. Then in L5, we have to in ode. Then autofit the column. Question number 7 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 8. You notice you are missing records. This one, you will manually add the record back to the table. So now we have to insert this record. Insert a row in the table, row 73 and 1112. Then enter following record. In row 73, we have to in this record. Then in row 112, we have to in this record. Okay. After entering this record, we will get 2 marks from there. Then in question number 9, we have to remove all duplicate values from the tables. So after solving this part, we will get 3 marks from there. So same way we will solve other parts step by step. So you may see we have just 20 question or 21 question in today's graded report. Out of 21 question, we have discussed first 9 to 10 question. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 HOE Toy Store. In start, we just discuss project description. After discussing description, then we move toward graded report, and we have solved question number 1. Then we have solved question number 2, in which we have to modify the existing page breaks to ensure the 613 and 624 transaction date print on same page. Then we move toward question number 3, where we have to create a copy of June total worksheet and then name that copy to June 1st total. Then we move toward question number 4, where we have to return to June worksheet and print. You would like to titles be preserved. Okay, so set the title in row 5 and column A and B to repeat when printed. Then in question number 5, we have to convert the range A5 to K1110 to table. Then include column label, name the table totals. Then we have to apply table style, that is a light 19. Okay, then we move toward question number 6, sorry. And in question number 6 we have to delete the cell first column from the table. Then we move toward question number 7, where we have to in two new columns. In first column we have to in the name of first column rebate K5, then ode for L5 column, then set the width I to J auto fit. Then we move toward question number 8, and we have solved question number 8 and 9. Okay, so we have solved almost half of assignment in today's video, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number. Okay, and here is my email ID, so you may easily contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100%. File will be ready in next 30 minutes, and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and marks will be 100% in overall course. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics assignment, if you need help regarding other assignment, just like if you need help English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in your assignment in next 1 hour. Result will be 100%. Price will be reasonable, and file will be ready in next 1 hour. So in today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Who to Store. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.